Hey, what's up everyone? Today I've got some fresh news for all you Android enthusiasts out there. Google has officially confirmed that the Android 16 beta is rolling out this January 2025. Now, while they haven't given us the exact date, there's some pretty interesting info floating around. So, here's the scoop. According to a comment from a Google employee spotted by Android Authority, we might see the first beta build drop on January 22nd, and then, get ready for another release on February 19th. But that's not all. It looks like Google aims to kick off the Android 16 Beta 3 on March 12, 2025. Now what does this mean for us? Well, if everything goes as planned, we can expect the final build of Android 16 to roll out sometime in the second quarter of 2025. That's right folks, we're talking about a stable update likely hitting Pixel devices around April or May. Exciting, right? Let's dive into some of the features you can look forward to. First up, Android 16 is expected to offer a split-screen mode inspired by Oxygen OS on the OnePlus Open. Imagine being able to split 3 apps at the same time, multitasking game leveled up. But wait, there's more. We're also looking at improved Wi-Fi security and adaptive refresh rate, or ARR for short. This means smoother transitions and better battery life, and of course there's likely to be a whole bunch of other cool features that we'll discover as we get our hands on these beta builds. So, mark your calendars folks. January 22nd and February 19th could be the dates to watch out for. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest on Android 16. Catch you in the next one. Peace.